มบอกแกทำด้วยกันนะเดี๋ยวก็ฟังบาลีไปเป็นระยะไม่ยาวนะเอานะใช่ไม่ได้ทำงานวันนี้วันอาทิตย์บ้านผมวัดตัวก่อนโยโสภะคะวะอะระหังสัมมาสัมพุทโธThis one that Lord will fully attain perfect enlightenment. Sawakato yena bhagavata dhammo. The teaching which he has spread so well. Patipanno yatsa bhagavato sāvaka saṅgho. And to the blessed ones disciples who have practiced well, Dhammayam Bhagavantam Sadhammam Sasangham. To the Buddha, the Dhamma and the Sangha, Ime Sattare Yatharamam Arovite Vihapipo Jayama. We render with offerings our life for homage. Sadhuno Bhante Bhagava Sudhira Pariniputto De. Therefore, as the precious one having attained liberation, Pachima Janata Yukam Pamanasa, still have compassion for later generations. Ime Sattare Dukkata Panyaka Prabhute Patikan Padu. May the simple offerings be accepted. Ammakam Hikaratam Hikaya Sukhaya. From our long-lasting benefit and for the happiness it gives us. Araham Samma Sambuddho Bhagava. The Lord, the perfectly enlightened and precious one, Suttang Bhagavantang Abhivademi. I render homage to the Buddha, the precious one. Sawakato Bhagavata Dhammo. The teaching so completely explained by him. Dhammang Namasami. I bow to the Dhamma. Sukatipanno Bhagavato Sāvaka Saṅgho. The precious one's disciples who have practiced well, Sanghang Namami. I bow to the Sangha. Annamayang Buddhassa Bhagavato Pubbapa Kanamakaran Karobase.
Now repatriate remain our homage to the Buddha.
Namo Tassa
Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. nature of blessing humans. Buddha Bhagavati is awake and holy.
อันดามยังพุทธาภิกิติกโรวาเส
Now let us chant in celebration of the Buddha.
พุทธวาระ
วันตวรตาทิคุณาภิยุตโต The Buddha, the truly worthy one, and the with excellent qualities. Sutta Dhyana Karuna Isamakato, possessing his compound of purity, transcendental wisdom and compassion. Bodhesiyo Sutanatang Gamalang Vasuro, who has enlightened the white light of sun, awakening the lotus. Vantavaham Dhammaranam Sirasa Chinempang. I bow my head to the peaceful shape of Trungparas. Uttoyo Sampapaninam Saranam Kemamuttamam. The Buddha who is the self-security of all beings. Pattamanusadittanam Vantamitam Sirenaham. As the first object of reparation, I venerate him with bowhead. Buddhasahat samita sowa puttho me sanitisaro. I am indeed the Buddha's servant. The Buddha is my Lord and guide. Buddha dukkha sakkata javitata javitasame. The Buddha is sorrow's destroyer, will bestow blessings on me. Buddha sarang niyate nisariran jivitan jitang. To the Buddha I dedicate his body and life. Vantanto Hanjavitsami Buddha Seva Suphotikam. In devotion I reward the Buddha's cause of awakening. Nati me saranam panyam buddho me saranam varam. For me there is no other refuge. The Buddha is my excellent refuge. Edena satyavatena vatrayam sattvasasane. By the assurance of this truth, may I grow in the master way. Uttam me vantamare nayam punyam prasutam hita. By my devotion to the Buddha and the blessing of his practice, Sabbe Piyantaraya Vimahe Sumtatsate Jasa. By his power may all obstacles be overcome.
Jayavadetasawa. My body speak of my Buddhe Tukamam Padatamayaya. Whatever wrong action I have committed towards the
ภิคาตาจาริกัสสเว The Dhamma is sorrows destroyer, and it bestows blessings on me. Dhamma sahaଂ niyate misariran seritan jitan. The Dhamma indicates the body and life. One tanto antarisami dhamma seva sudhammatam. Yet in devotion I will want this excellent ray of truth. Nati me saranang anyang dhammo me saranang varam. For me there is no other refuge. The Dhamma is my excellent refuge. Edena satchavacchena vacchayam sattu sasade. By the utterance of this truth, may I grow in the master way. Dhammam me vantamarena yam punyam pasutang kita. By my devotion to the Dhamma and the blessing of this practice, Sampepi antaraya me mahe sumta sate jasam. By His power may our obstacles be overcome.
Kayena
Vajaya vajita sawa. By body speak of mine. Kami bukan patakan mayaya. For whatever wrong action I have committed towards the ติสังโฆโยสัมปปานินังสารนังเกมานุตตมัง The Sangha is the supreme sacred refuge of all beings. Patiyanusaditthanam vandhamitam sirenaham. As the third object of resurrection, I venerate it without hate. Sangha sahak samita suvak sangho me samikisaro. I am indeed the Sangha servant. The Sangha is my Lord and guide. Sangho dukkha sakata caritata carita sarve. The Sangha is sorrow desire, and it blessings on me. Sangha sahang miyate visariram jiritam jipam. To the Sangha I dedicate my body and life. One time to anjarit sami sampad so patipannatam. And in devotion I will walk the practice way of the Sangha. Nati me saranam anyam sangho me saranam varam. For me there is no other refuge. The Sangha is my excellent refuge. Edena satya vajjena vajjayam sattu sasane. By the entrance of this truth, may I go in the master way. Sanghaṃ me vanpamani nayam punyam vasutaṃ vitha. By the devotion to the Sangha and the blessing of its practice, Samme viyantaraya vimahe sumtassate chasa. By His power may all obstacles be overcome.
Kayena vajaya vajita sama. My body, speak of my Sanghe Gukam Manvatatam Mayaya. For whatever of action I have committed towards the Sangha, Sangho Patikrama Durasayantam. May my acknowledgement of fault be accepted. Kalantare Samvaritum Vasanghe. So that in future there may be wisdom regarding the Sangha. Kandamaya Tita Pachavekata Akambanamase.
Now recite the passage for reflection on the pursuit of the requisites.
Ajamaya
Javekitavayam jivaram parikutam. Whatever of my youth today without consideration. Yavate vasita sakatikataya. Was simply to one uphold. Unnasapatikataya. To one of it. Dam samakasavada
วนาจะพาลานัง
avoiding those foolish ways, Vanditananda Sevana, associating with the wise, Ochaja Puchaniyanam, and honoring those worthy of honor, Etamam Paramuttamam, these are the highest blessings, Adirupane Savasoja, living in precious of suitable cause, Upejayata Punyata, with the fruits of past good days, Pata Samma Panitita, and guided by the rightful way, Etamantara Muttamam, these are the highest blessings, Ahusatanja Sipanja, accomplished in learning and craftsman skills, Vinayuja Susikita, with discipline highly trained, Sopasita Jayavaja, and speak that is true and present to hear, Etamantala Muttamam, these are the highest blessings, Mahapito Upathanam, providing for mother and father support, Uttara Santaho, and cherishing family, Anahula Jagamanta, and with offering and humble beating, Etamantala Muttamam, these are the highest blessings, Ananta Brahmacharyaja, generosity and a righteous life, Yadakananda Sankaro, offering unto relatives and kin, Anavachani Kamani, and acting in ways that leave no blame, Etamantala Muttamam, these are the highest blessings, Arati Virati Papa, steadfast in wisdom and shunning evil ways, Machapanaja Sanyamo, avoiding intoxicants that draw the mind, Apamano Japameso, and mindfulness in all things that arise, Etamantala Muttamam, these are the highest blessings, Karabhojani Vatoja, respectfulness and of humble ways, Sandati Jagatanyuta, contentment and gratitude, Kalina Dhamma Savanam, and hearing the Dhamma frequently taught, Etamantala Muttamam, these are the highest blessings, Andija Sovajasata, patience and willingness to accept much force, Samanananda Vasanam, seeing ignorance excesses of the truth, Kalina Dhamma Sagacha, and sharing often the words of Dhamma, Etamantala Muttamam, these are the highest blessings, Apoja Brahmachariyanja, ardent committed to the holy life, Ariya Satchana Passanam, seeing for oneself the noble truths, Nibbana Satchikiriyaja, and the realization of Nibbana, Etamantala Muttamam, these are the highest blessings, Kotasalokatameti, are the inwardly cause, Chitam Yasanakam Bhati, unshaken the mind remains, Asokam Vimajankeman, and beyond all sorrows fully secure, Etamantala Muttamam, these are the highest blessings. judge. May those who are friendly, indifferent, or hostile, Sappe satta sukhi hotu punyani pakatani me. May all beings receive the blessings of my life. So kanjati vitantinto kitang tapeta bhumatang. May those who attain the truth of grace and realize the deathless. Imina punyakamena imina udesena cha. Through the goodness that arises from my practice, and through this act of sharing, Ipahang sura pejewakan upatana jetanan, may our desire and question quickly cease. Ye santane dina dhammaya variparato namam, and our harmful states of mind, until I realize Nibbana. Na santo sappata evayata shato bhave bhave. In every kind of birth, may I have an upright mind. O Chutitam Sati Panya Sanleto Viriyam Vina. With mindfulness and wisdom, authority and rebirth, Marala Panto Noka Sangha Tuncha Viriya Sume. May the forces of delusion not temper nor weaken my resolve. Murtadi Pavaruna Doramona Ovarutamo. The Buddha is my excellent refuge. Unsurpassed the protection of the Dhamma. Nato Bhajeka Bhutto Cha Sangho Nato Taro Mamam. The solitary Buddha is my noble guide. The Sangha is my supreme support. Through the supreme power of all this, may darkness and delusion be dispelled. Akasata Bhumatta Devanata Maitika. May devas and nagas of great power, standing in space and on land, Punyantang Anurantu Tilang Lakantu Buddha Sasana. May they rejoice in this marriage and long protect the Buddha's teachings.
Arahang Samma
Sambuddho Bhagava Uttang Bhagavantam Abhivademi.
Sawakato
Bhagavato Dhammo Dhammam Namassami.
Sopatipanno
Bhagavato